Hi, chickens. This is the Chapter 7 math test. If your grown-up can print it out for you, that's great. If not, open your notebook to a new page, write your name, and we'll begin. Question 1. Compare. Is the math sentence true? Choose yes or no. So if you're writing your notebook, write 1, period. You're going to have 4 different answers. The first question is this true? 39 is greater than 43. You can write yes or no. 39 is greater than 43. If that's true, write yes. If it's not true, write no. 71 is greater than 35. If it's true, write yes. If it's not true, write no. The next one uses the symbol 49 and 20. I can't tell you what the symbol means. You have to decide. Is it true or not true? And then the fourth one is 75, and there's a symbol, and 25. You decide what that symbol says. If it's true, write yes. If it's not true, write no. Question 2. Choose all the numbers that are less than 51. If you're writing in your notebook, write the numbers that are less than 51. 41, 48, 75, 37. Question 3. Circle the symbol that makes the math sentence true. 28, 24. If you're writing in your notebook, write which symbol makes sense. Question 4. Greg has these number cards. Write each number in the box to show less than 61 or greater than 61. So if you're writing in your notebook, make a big T. And on this side, you could write less. On this side, you could write greater. Now, which numbers are less than 61? Write them here. Which numbers are greater than 61? Write them here. You can pause this video if you need more time. Question 5. Use mental math. Complete the chart. 22. Write down what is 10 less and what is 10 more than 22. 45. Write down what is 10 less than 45 and 10 more than 45. If you're writing in your notebook, write 22 and just write the number that's 10 less to the left, write the number that's 10 more to the right, then write 45, write the number that's 10 less than 45, and 10 more than 45. Pause the video if you need to. Question 6. Write a number that is less than 40. Any number that's less than 40. How do you know your number is less than 40? You need to write some words there. How do you know your number is less than 40? Put down a reason. Question 7. Choose all the math sentences that are true. If you're writing in your notebook, you can write down 27 and this symbol and 31. If it's true, write a T. If it's not true, you can write false or just leave it without the T. 35 and this symbol and 35. If it's true, write it and then put a T. 71, 77 with this symbol. This is testing if you know what the symbols mean. If it's true or false, let us know. Question 8. Jose circles the numbers that are less than 22 or greater than 27. Which numbers does Jose circle? He circles the numbers that are less than 22 or greater than 27. Jose circles 3 different numbers. Figure out those numbers and write them down. Question 9. Draw a quick picture to show a number that is 10 less than the model. Draw a quick picture to show a number that is 10 less than this model. Question 10. Compare. Is the math sentence true? Choose yes or no. 37. Didn't we do this already on the first page? Hold on. Oh, we did this here, but the numbers were different. I guess they're repeating the type of question. Okay, back to question 10. Compare. Is the math sentence true? Choose yes or no. 37 is greater than 28. You can write yes if it's true, no if it's not true. 62 is greater than 64. Is that true? Is it not true? 38, and this symbol, 44. True or false? 55, this symbol, and 23. You write down. Yes, it's true, or no, it is not true. It's false. Pause the video at any time when you need more time. Question 11. Write this symbol, or this symbol to compare the numbers. 46, 58. Write the symbol. And then you need to write some words. How do the drawings help you compare the numbers? You'll write a sentence or two. How do these drawings help you compare? Question 12. Circle the words that make the sentence true. 37 is greater than 60. 37 is less than 60. 37 is equal to 60. Write the phrase that makes the sentence true. And then give yourself a pat on the back and a nice hug because you're all finished. Good job. If you need to go back and rehear anything, play this video again. And remember to have your grown-up take a picture and send it to your teachers or upload it right here to our Google Classroom. Thank you.